In front of me is a Elephone P8000, and I'll show you how to access the factory mode. So we will need to start off by actually turning on the device. Using the power key, hold it, and then tap on power off and confirm it. So once it powers off, which will be indicated by the vibration that maybe you heard, we will hold power key and volume down together till you see the logo. Okay, once the logo appears, you can let go of the keys. And from here, only press power button once to get to the menu. And from here, you can scroll down and select on most of the last one is basically a reboot, and the three others are different kind of tests. So I'm not gonna run them because it will take a little bit. But you can basically press on any of them, and each one corresponds with a different kind of test. And yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this for now. And that's basically it. So the device should be powering back on and exiting this mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.